When we talk about beauty among friends, there is a huge tendency that not all of us will agree about everything. There will be some of us who are bound to disagree about how we look at beauty, and that is quite true for everyone in the world. In this video, we will look at the top 5 best pedicure kits that are available on the market today.
I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, GERmanikure Stainless Steel Pedicure Nail Care Kit. The GERmanikure Pedicure Kit is beautifully handcrafted in Germany, and they are made in high quality. This product fights against defects, and the surfaces of the tools do not rust, even after years of use. And it is environmentally friendly, which is easy to clean and sterilize. Plus, this kit is manufactured without human abuse. Quality guaranteed to fight against wear and tear, and the tools are meant to last for a lifetime. Manufactured using premium stainless steel that is high with carbon to create extremely sturdy tools and rust-free kit. Luxurious set of pedicure tools that are very sharp, and will never chip, crack, rust, or pit. At number 4, House M Pedicure Kit. The House M Pedicure Kit contains efficient tools that are extremely safe to use, and they are super hard and long-lasting. The kit is lightweight because of the stainless steel construction, and they are resistant to rusting, corrosion, and wear and tear. It is perfect for personal use, and great as a gift too. Produced using premium quality stainless steel material that creates 18 pieces of nail care kit. Super sturdy tools with anti-slip grip for your optimum safety and caring for your nails. Quality assurance guarantee, with friendly and knowledgeable customer service support. At number 3, Wild Willies Manicure and Pedicure Kit. The Wild Willies Pedicure Set is perfect for both men and women, and it includes your ultimate grooming tools for manicure and pedicure. The tools are made from premium materials, and they are manufactured with strict precision for supery or strength in cleaning your nails. This product is easy to store and carry, thanks to the travel case. One-stop shop for caring for your hand and feet nails, with high-grade 10 pieces tool set. Very sharp nail clippers, as well as fully functional grooming set like scraping tool, cuticle stick, V-shaped push stick, nail file, and more. Non-slip handles that allows you to clean and groom your nails with confidence of safety. At number 2, XJZX 10 PCs Manicure Pedicure Set Nail. The XJZX Pedicure Kits is mixed with a manicure set, which allows you to clean both your hands and feet efficiently. It is a lightweight kit that is very easy to carry and takes little space for transport. The carry case of this kit makes it possible to eliminate clutter of your nail grooming tools. Made from high-quality 100% stainless steel material with a chic gift box made from premium leather. Lightweight pedicure set that is highly portable, extremely durable, and safe to use at home. Backed with a satisfaction guarantee policy, coupled with knowledgeable and friendly customer service support. Finally at number 1, Yougai Pedicure Nail Clippers Set Kit. The Yougai Pedicure Kit is an extremely durable product that is crafted to last for a lifetime. It provides you all the tools you need to groom your nails in the most secure manner, thanks to the non-slip handles and durable tool construction. Plus, this product comes with a PU leather small suitcase for storage. Clever design that is manufactured using professional-grade material and super comfortable to use. All in one kit with 18 multifunctional tools with a non-slip design for safe hand and feet care. Comes with a mini-size carry bag for superior portability and ease of carrying.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.